beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I got my June Ipsy box here, so I was hoping we could unbox it together. I always love unboxing everything with you dolls, so today is no different. I figured if you guys are here for it, I would love to go ahead and find out what is inside. I do get the Ipsy Creator box, so that comes with the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and some other creator goodies that they put inside. So let's go ahead and dive right into this beauty. And if it's your first time here, I hope you'll subscribe and also give me a thumbs up if you like today's video, and follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's inside this Ipsy makeup subscription box and do a makeup subscription box unboxing today. So here it is, beauties. It says discover yourself inside, and then they did send this nice card here. It says do you, bold moves only. Yes, I am so all about that right now. That's so funny that they sent this. It says here, amp up everything that makes you happy and celebrate the beauty that is you. That is so awesome. They always have the best, most uplifting messages, and this box was gifted to me by Ipsy. I am an Ipsy creator, so thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this to me today, and I can't wait to see what's inside. So the first thing I just reached in and grabbed for is this Foxybae. This is a 12-in-1 magic daily leave-in hair mask. Oh my god, daily hair mask with biotin, sulfate free, paraben free, and I can't wait to try this. I do have the Foxybae hair wand, and that's a really good hair wand. Oh, I'm so glad I can try this, beauties, because I just ran out of my leave-in hair conditioner, and I cannot be without leave-in hair conditioner. When I don't use a leave-in, oh my god, my hair looks so bad. The other day, I don't think I used it, and my hair dried and it looked so horrible. So, because I had run out of my regular leave-in that I use, so I can't wait to try this. absolutely love the packaging, lilac packaging, and there's some beautiful stars on the packaging. So let me go ahead and give this a smell, guys, because I do love scents and I do love to smell all these lotions and potions. So let me see. I don't think it has a scent. No, very, very light, maybe like baby powder. So that's nice. I think it's pretty much scentless. But yeah, very, very light, like baby powder. So let's get, you guys are like, girl, we had enough. Show us what else is in the box. Okay. Here is a mud mask. Oh my gosh, guys, this is something for the eyes. I love anything for the eyes. So this is a serum infused eye mask. It says it reduces dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dark skin, and swelling. It's from Mud Masky. Guys, have you heard of this? I've never tried this before, but this definitely sounds like everything I could ever want and need, because I am obsessed with keeping my eyes tight and right, and I've had so many issues with my eyes, but they're doing great, and I'm going to do a video, guys, soon. I have put together this little routine that I've been doing on my eyes, and the hooding is staying lifted, and it's all just, you know, from at-home treatments and things like that. So nothing even at the spa or nothing. I'm gonna do a video on that soon, but I'm gonna try this, and maybe I can incorporate this into the video if it really is all that it says. So I'm gonna try this, but I have like 3 things that are truly life-changing. If you have hooded eyes, it has lifted my eyes, it has shrunk the hooding. It's, oh my god, I can't wait to show you, beauties. So anyway, here is a lip balm, Bali Balm. And can't wait to try this. I love using a lip balm. I do have a whole bunch of lip products on right now, or I would try this, but anyway, let's go ahead and open it up and see. Bali Balm, lemon and black pepper. Does that mean it tastes like pepper? It has a nice kind of lemon scent. Everything has a lemon scent nowadays, guys. Okay, we'll give that a try, and then let me know, did you guys get this in your box? You know what, guys, let me know before I try this stuff and the hair. Did you guys try this yet? Do you love it or not? Let me know down below, because if it gave you guys a reaction or anything, please, I have a lot of things give my eyes and my skin reactions, so actually, now I'm nervous. Now I started thinking about it. I'm like, please, guys, let me know down below if you have tried these. Have they irritated your eyes, specifically this one? Because one time I used the wrong product on my eyes, and my eyes were swollen. They had like pimpling all over. Oh, it was horrible. So anyway, guys, I don't know what to reach for. I just saw something amazing. Okay, let's just go ahead and check out the Glam Bag. It's so pretty. I love pink and red. Oh my god. So this is really beautiful. Oh, and the zipper has iridescence to it, and iridescent effect. So let's see what's inside. Here is a pH balance cleanser from Dermatologist Choice. I have to try that. I've never tried that. Here is an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Crush, a gorgeous pinky nude. Yay! I'm definitely gonna use that. Here is a Grow Gorgeous Repair Strengthening and Hair Strengthening Hair Mask. So I can't wait to try that. Oh gosh, guys, here is a Tarte mascara. Love Tarte mascara. It's a really nice one, nice size sample. And here is a Gerard Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner, guys, from our bestie Gerard Cosmetics. I don't think I tried this product, so I gotta give that a try. I can't wait. So let's see what else came, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, they sent a full, this pretty much looks full size. Oh, this is not. This is the Pore Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Spray. So this is a nice size sample of their new setting spray that they came out with, which is supposed to make your makeup last really long. So gotta give that a try. I've never tried that. And then here, guys, they sent something that looks like some beautiful brushes. Can I tell you guys, have you tried these brushes yet? They came in a past Ipsy box, the studded. I'm not sure the name of the brand. I wish they wrote the name on the side of the brushes, but they didn't. They have studding on the brushes. Those are seriously the best brushes I've ever used. My favorite foundation brush is their brush. It's like it has studding on it. It came in a past Ipsy box. Do you guys know the name of the company? I gotta look it up online because they didn't write the name on the brushes, unfortunately. But guys, look at how stunning this month's brushes are. Oh my god, and they have the crystals on the side. Are these from Miss SL Glam? I follow her on Instagram and on YouTube, but I always see she does these beautiful brushes with the crystal detailing. And then look at the handle. Beautiful. And then it does say on here, Miss SL Glam. SG Glam. Guys, I say so many people's Instagrams and things like that wrong. These are her brushes. Oh my god, I'm so excited because for years I've seen her brushes online and I've never got a chance to try them. These are so nice. Wow. They have an ombre effect, orange into pink. These are just gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so surprised that the little blue crystals really do stand out beautifully. I've seen them online, but I don't think I've ever seen this one with this pretty confetti print. But these are really nice. I can't believe it. Oh, and she has the number on them and everything. I would love to try this right now. These are so soft. I'm really shocked, you guys. I don't know why. I just, these are really beautiful and so soft. Oh, I'm so happy for her that she's in the Ipsy box. So yes, it feels amazing on my skin. I love how it's tapered so you can hold it just right. This feels incredible on my skin. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I got to try these because for years I've seen them and I've been wanting to order them, but I just never got the chance. I'm just gonna try the eyeshadow brush out. Wow, it hugs right in the crease like you can't even believe. It's because it's firm but fluffy, so it's hugging right into the crease area. Wow, these are really good. It feels so good. It's really hugging onto my eye. And they're just so pretty and festive. So, wow, she is bomb.com. I see her online all the time. We're her twins, and I love seeing her pictures. But I just never got a chance to try her brushes, but they were amazing. So, beauties, I think that's everything that came in this month's box. This is amazing. They just, oh my gosh, Ipsy just sends the most amazing boxes ever. And here is also this beautiful bag. This really is very uplifting. They said it was going to be uplifting, and it really was. I'm not sure what it is. It's just everything in here is just very uplifting. I don't know. I just love this way it says have fun, the pink and the red and the rainbows and everything. It just really does make you feel uplifted, and makeup that you really love and you can't wait to play with. So I'm very excited now. So thank you so much, Ipsy, for making my day. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy Glam Bag and your Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses, your add-ons. Let me know if you've tried any of these. And I can't wait to hear, guys. Please let me know if that eye mask worked out for you before I give it a try. I'm sure it won't irritate me though. because, you know, I'm sure it'll be okay, but let me know please, guys. And anyway, that's pretty much it. So I do want to have a giveaway today, guys. So today's giveaway again is going to be for the 5-piece Luxe Makeup Mystery Box. It's just so much easier for me to do it that way, and then I put in all the goodies, and you guys know how it is. So I can go through everything and put it together beforehand, or let me know if you want to know beforehand. Although I am going to do more giveaways where I let you know beforehand what's in the giveaway in the future. I'm going to be doing that. But for now, it's just so easy for me to put it in and surprise you beauties. So let me know if you would like to win a 5-piece Luxe Makeup Mystery Box. It does include 5 full-size Luxe makeup goodies that you would see at Ulta or Sephora, things of that nature. And so that's pretty much it. Just be a subscriber to take part. All my giveaways are for my subscribers. Also, comment down below on heart emoji of your choice, and that way I know that you want to take part in the giveaway. So that's pretty much it, beauties. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. So I love you dolls so much, and I can't wait to see you beauties soon. So bye, love you.